my dear students. You are given a topic of promotional activities, discount impact. Okay, go ahead.
Good evening, gentlemen and gentlewomen. So here we are going to give a discussion on promotional activity discount impact. So after hearing this sentence, there should be one thought comes in our mind is there is really an impact of promotion activities and discount on sales or any other promotion activities? So as per my opinion, yes, there is an impact of discount in boosting our sales. To illustrate my sentence, let me give an example. So before 2 years, so India's most famous retailing shop, Big Bazaar, has offered a discount that on he has announced that on 26 January he is going to give the Sabse Sasta Din, as we call it in Hindi, the Sabse Sasta Din, the cheapest day ever. He has announced that he is going to give a discount on all his shop, all his things, whatever he has done. So on 26 January, people will gathered on the shop before the retailer shop opened, and the sales which they have and as the days goes, means that much crowded has come in the shop that it is very difficult for them to manage the people, to manage the retailers. So they will call the police at the last, so to manage the people. So is this and at the final they have on the first day they have budgeted that we will sell up to 260 million. So after seeing this crowd, so they have achieved their sales in one day only. So after seeing the crowd, they have planned to extend it up to 3 more days. So at the first they have only targeted 260 million, but after 3 days they have achieved more than that. So this what my conclusion said that yes, there is an impact of discount. What happened is in the Big Bazaar. I feel this story. Is it not?
Yes, I am also agree with you. Good evening to my friends. My name is Mohan Krishna. I would like to thanks to Mr. Lakshmi. That is good initiative, good information to give you. In promotional activities, discount is very impact on the sales. We increase the sales and we see the demands more, Big Bazaar, in every market Reliance, we see every time in demand also give the discount in daily basis. Mostly demands more, and shopping malls also give the discount rates in season of festivals times, because in that time sales are increasing morely. That time mainly my part, mainly I am conclusion is impact the discount is in sales, and we see the in festival times dressings, jewelries, vehicles, in every items are give the discount rates, because the companies are increasing the sales, and also that good impact to the customers and attract to the customers, and new customers also attract that time. That purpose the companies give to more discount on festival seasons, and some companies are less sales, that time also given the discount rates. And
thank you, Mohan. Nowadays the people are attending for discounts only because they are attending for those products and brands, and also in festival seasons they are attracted for discounts. They are not looking for brands.
Yes, according to your point of view, it's correct. But see, they are giving only discounts on occasional purposes, right? They are attracting customers occasionally. But do they have any guarantee that promoting their product in normal days, do they are able to attract the customers by promoting their product?
Yes, Ruti, I was absolutely come to your point that you just means tell that in discounted only customer will come to the shop. So it is not it is that somewhat true. But see, first suppose if you have take an example of a normal people. So suppose if we see some discount rate is there, we will go and fetch. We want to know that what are the discounts they are offering. So first we will know that shop. So after knowing that, first time we are visiting to that shop, and if you like their products, so we will be a regular customer to them.
Yes, that's what. Lakshmi, I am also agree with you. In normal people also occasionally purchasing the some items. That time the people attract to the discount rates. That time companies also get profits. Also customers also get satisfied to the that particular product. So customers are the that time satisfied. That purpose again, not occasionally festival seasons companies give the discount rates, that purpose. And mostly companies are given some like DMarts, that companies are given daily basis of the discount rates. I don't know why that companies are given the discount. I think my point of view that shopping malls are given that time discount rates attract the sales people, attract the customers. I think my point of view DMart give the daily basis of discount.
Yeah.
When the discount will be given, the sales will be increased, but that is not for long term.
They don't have only that option to attract those customers. By giving only discounts, they can't attract the customers. They can promote their products by choosing other strategies, right?
There is a short-term companies and long-term companies.
Discount is very important for the organization, but it should be short-term. Don't be long-term.
Yes, Ramya, that's fine. But discount, whichever the companies they are providing discount only, that are giving for short term only. So the main points they are giving discount is that to suppose they are not giving all the times discount, they will give some all the festival season and at the end of the season. Suppose this is this is a winter. So this is winter. Sorry. So winter is going to finish now. So they are giving the product which they are lying with for winter season. They want to finish that to take the new inventory. So that's why they are giving discount on them to take it out so that we can put some new product on them. And the came to the Walmarts, why they are giving. Mohan is asking why they are giving daily discounts. So according to me, that Walmart, suppose if you are addicted once time to a discount, so suppose if for the next time if they will not provide, you are in a way to think that when they will give us the next discount so that we can approach to them. So that's what WhatsApp is. So that's Walmart is doing is that the same, that they keep on going with discounts only to attract, because people of Walmart customer, they are addicted to the discount. So that's what they are thinking, that so if you will give more discount on everyday discount, people will attract to us and see that's happening.
Yes, I am also agree with you, but I am saying Walmart is the worldwide shop marketing. That Walmart so many branches is there in world. They purchase the items in bulk. So that company, if you purchase in bulk items, the companies give the discounts also. They sometimes Walmart give that purpose, they give the more discounts to Walmart purchase the bulk now. That purpose they give the more discount to customers. I think my point of view.
Okay, let's
Rich people is not expected the discount. We are getting the only our brand items only. What?
Sorry, come up again.
Rich people is not discounting for the offers, so no discounts and rich people's.
But Ashok, good question. But company's point of view, not targeted rich people, normal people, poor people. They attract the all type of peoples. So that purpose companies give to the discounts to the all type of rich people, poor people. They not considered to the peoples.
Impact on the sales, sir.
That purpose if give to rich people to what is that mean? That mean company mean they criticize to other people, poor peoples. That purpose the company give to the all peoples.
No, this statement. My opinion is this statement is totally correct. So suppose totally incorrect. So let me take you an example. So all of you know have metro. So the people who are having metro car, is there a poor people or middle class?
No, just only
they are the richest person.
Yes.
For being a rich then only you will get the metro card, and the cheapest things available in metros only. If you take a retail outlet, if you get 100 rupees, and in metro you will get it 75. So people who are purchasing, they are the rich people only.
Yes, but you said Walmart. Yes, you said Walmart. Walmart also in India wise, I think 20 to 50 Walmart branches is there. So and company Walmart point of view, they give the rich people, they attract the rich peoples, and they give the discount to the type of rich peoples. I think my point of view.
Okay, when you give discount, how will you get the profit on this?
Yeah, that's a huge profit because see, to boost up our sales only, we are providing the discount. So suppose if there will be normally you're running a business, so people will not attract in that. If you put discount on that, suppose at the previous I have told you one example of Big Bazaar. So normally on every day he is not giving the discount, but on the 26th January he has put it that we are going to provide the cheapest day ever on the 26th January. So people are going to attract the sales which he has not made in whole year. He has made in 3 days. So that's what is the impact of discount. So let Ramesh explain on this topic.
By giving the discount, the company brand will be declined. By giving the discount, brand image will be declined.
If companies attract the more customers, if customers are addicted to that particular products, company decline the particular brand. That time, I think sometimes brand is declined. I think most of the time.
Okay, customers thinking like that, there is no quality and less quality by giving the discount.
First, we can identify our perception as loyalty for the product.
That purpose, mostly companies choose to the festival time to give them the discount, and some people, I think, when 100% people is there and 20% people are the some people are thinking if given discount, if any fault is there in that particular product, like if any quality is decreased, if any problem is there. Yes, I think good question.
Yeah, I think so. I think that this is somewhat correct because people have a negative thought on the, because if some companies keep on going providing the discounts on that, so there will be something negative impact. But of course not. Suppose Big Bazaar is running. I'm going to take the same example because Big Bazaar is running. He is providing a regular discounts on his product. So is there any bad impression on them?
Yes. Recently we have come across a case on Big Bazaar, right? It is pricing more on the items and it is showing less price. Actually, the price of the item is less, but it is showing a discount on the price, and it is selling for this around the same price. So that's the case on Big Bazaar. But still, it's running successfully because of the impact that has created in the people.
And also some internal products also there in like Big Bazaar and Reliance markets. Not only Big Bazaar, Reliance also, some other markets also, Apna Bazaar supermarkets. That type of shopping malls also give the discount rates because if any new product is introduced into market, that time to the company give the discount rates. That will be impact on the sales. I think most of time.
Okay friends, that we have discussed about discount impact. Let's have some discussion on promotion activities. What do you say?
To create the awareness to the customers, they should give promotional activities.
Yes, and like promotional activities like campaigns. If cine stars, if any popular cricket stars, if any product is there, give to the advertisements. Like cine competition, like cricket matches conduct to the with like IPL T20, like the type of promotional activities also conduct to the companies.
Yeah, but we are here to discuss about the promotion activities impact on sales or in some other activities.
For example, if we see that in IPL T20, in so many advertisements also there, and I think everybody knows as ETV Jabardast. And that we see so many products, Windowside, Paragon, Madhupur juice, so many products, that will be promotional activities. That is the impact on the sales. If we see an advertisement, if we see ladies actually see the most of the serials, and that time we see the most advertisements. That purpose the promotional activities are the impact on the sales. If a new product are introduced in the market, that time good to the promotional activity that particular product.
And some people are attracted for some product brand ambassadors for the brand. People are there attracting for the products.
Okay, that you want to finally want to say that yes, there is an impact of promotion activities on sales. Is it correct?
Yes.
So as per my opinion, my opinion also goes the same. This promotion activities and have an impact on the sales. Suppose to illustrate this, I want to give an examples again. So let's have and on promotion activities, if all of you are aware, then PNG is yearly he has expended some 4.8 billion of his total revenue in promotion activity. So this what shows the impact that yes, this are all the data that shows that yes, if they are wasting 4.8 million, so there should be some impact on their sales. That's why they are investing that money. So we are at the end of the session. So finally, I want to conclude this. Yes, there is an impact of promotion activities and discount on the sales.
Okay, I am agree with you, Lakshmi. My final conclude is the promotional activity also impact on the sales. Discount rates also impact on the sales. I am also agree with you.
Promotional activities every time is not possible. Promotional activities every time acceptable.
If
So
someone
there may be cases like, if you are introducing a new product to the market and you are promoting the product, there may be a chances that people may use your product or they may not. Then in that case, whether your promotion activity is successful.
Yeah, first let me also tell you one thing. The success and it is in a research it is shown that 80% of the newly launched product are going to fail in the first year. In the first year. So suppose if first you have invested a lot of money, people all the companies who are going to invest in the new product or the new product, they invested huge money on that. So and they're following some strategy like penetration and scheming. So after they launching finally it's when the products came to the market. So it is what the people are unknown to the product. So by advertising or by promotion activities they are going to the product. So first time when they will use your product, if they like it or if they thought that the product is somewhat different from the other, then only they will adopt it. Is it correct? Yes. So that's what means promotion activities are quite costly, but its impact not in the first year, but afterwards. If it is your product is having good quality and you are promoting it well, then it will really lead to success in the market.
okay, friends, and final end of the section is here. I am observing that in group discussion some points. In first half, discount rates are the main impact on the sales, and promotional activities also impact on the sales. I am observing these points. All of you agree with me? Yes.
Thank you.
A few comments are. Ramya has shown negative points on this GD. There were few errors in the communication and less participation. And Sandeep has shown positive opinions on the topic, but participation was less and he was very calm during the GD. Lucky, I think he was eager to take the lead initiative, and communication was well, and the statistics and example he used are very good. Eye contact in the initial time of the GD was well, but during the time moves and he was answering question to only those who were asking. He is not focusing this side. And body language was well, and only few wrong sentences he told during the GD, and he shown few shifted opinions later on. Ashok was negative about. He has negative opinions, and communication was little weak and less participation during all the GD. Mohan participation was well, but there were many breaks in the sentences. He was spending so much time on framing sentences, and he has shown good points. Eye contact also he was mostly he was talking with Lucky only, and communication was little bit weak. He was not supportive to his opinion because he was showing negative opinions on the brand equity, as he was saying brand equity can decline, when he was arguing that sales are increased but brand equity will be decreased. And eye contact was little bit weak. And Shruti, she was showing negative opinion. Most of the time she was raising questions on others' opinions. Communication was well. And she was supportive to her opinion, and she has shown some evidences on to support her opinion. And the main thing which I observe is they are not encouraging the people who are calm. Like 50% of this team was very calm. Sandeep, Ramya and Ashok, they were not focusing on them. The conversation was between Lucky, Mohan and Shruti. And Mohan was most of the time he was agreeing with Lucky. He was supporting Lucky, but there was no motivation during all the CD. Thank you.